Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation to unlock your inner confidence. Confidence is a powerful state of mind, a belief in your own abilities, and a trust in your capacity to navigate life challenges with grace and self-assuredness. In this meditation, we will practice harnessing and strengthening your inner confidence, helping you to be your best self. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes and let's begin. Begin by taking a few deep cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with positive energy. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or doubt. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and at ease. Now bring your awareness to the present moment. Let go of any worries or distractions. This is your time to focus on yourself and your confidence. Now imagine a warm golden light surrounding you, enveloping your entire being. This light represents your inner strength, your confidence, and your belief in yourself. Feel its warmth and brightness filling your body and mind. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize this golden light expanding with each breath, radiating from your core and spreading throughout your body. With every inhale, imagine it growing stronger and brighter, pushing away any negative thoughts or self-doubt. Now bring to mind a moment when you felt truly confident and self-assured. It could be a recent accomplishment or any memory that fills you with confidence. Relive that moment in your mind. Remember how it felt, the sensations, the emotions, and self-assuredness. Feel that confidence washing over you once more. As you embrace that memory, let the golden light merge with it, enhancing the feelings of confidence and self-belief. Know that this confidence is a part of you, always accessible whenever you need it. Now, imagine yourself stepping into the shoes of your best self, the most confident version of you. Picture yourself walking, talking, and carrying yourself with poise and self-assuredness. You are radiating confidence, and people around you admire and respect you for it. As you embody this confident self, repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud. I am confident, and I believe in myself. I am capable of achieving my goals. I trust in my abilities and decisions. I am worthy of success and happiness. Feel these affirmations reverberate through your being. Believe in their truth, for they are a reflection of your inner strength and potential. Now visualize yourself accomplishing your goals and dreams. See them coming to fruition, step by step. Imagine the joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment you experience as you achieve each one. Know that you are fully capable of making these dreams a reality. Take a moment to focus on any specific areas of your life where you would like to boost your confidence. Visualize yourself excelling in these areas with ease, poise, and self-belief. As you continue to breathe, feel the golden light of confidence and self-belief growing stronger within you. It's a permanent part of who you are, always there to support you. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, allowing the golden light to gently fade, but its essence remains within you. Know that you can return to this meditation whenever you need a boost of confidence and self-belief. You are a capable and confident individual, ready to face any challenge that comes your way. Slowly begin to reawaken your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Carry this newfound confidence with you throughout your day. And remember that you are your best self, always believing in yourself. My name is Francis. Namaste.